So what I've got set up here is 3 diodes. We were testing the reverse recovery time. So here we have the 1N4 and 48. Here we've got a Schottky diode, a BAT85, and here we've got a 1N4 and 4007. Okay, so the turquoise line, number 2, is that top one. You can see that one coming down fast because that's a fast diode. Okay, even faster is the Schottky diode, because they don't have a reverse recovery time. They turn off instantly, so you can see it turning off instantly there. Okay, I'm measuring the current, that is current across the resistor, and the yellow line is the voltage out of my signal generator. And then lastly, the dark blue is the 1N4007, and that takes 2 microseconds to recover. That's quite a slow diode. So there you can see the slow recovery of the 1N4007. That's why it's a general purpose rectifier diode. You're not going to do fast stuff with it. And then the 1N4 and 48 is a fast signal diode. And then the Schottky diode is a fast rectifier diode, because this region over here in the recovery area, you're drawing current, okay, and that's wasted energy. So you want to avoid that. So you want to stick to off as quickly as possible, which is why you use Schottky diodes and switch mode rectifiers, okay. And you certainly wouldn't use a 1N4007 for a rectifier diode and a switch mode power supply. So there's your comparison, the 3 diodes, and looking at the reverse recovery times. Fascinating little setup. So I hope you enjoyed this one, learned something from it, gained something from it, or just enjoyed it. So ladies and gentlemen, take care, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.